Hi guys, in front of me is iPhone and let me show you how to use volume buttons to grab a picture here. First of all, you have to locate and open your camera app, and all you have to do now is to tap on volume up or volume down button to grab a picture. Just like this, as you can see, the picture is grabbed. If you want to grab a burst photos, you have to set it up via settings. So at first open the settings, then find and select camera. Here it is. And now locate use volume up for burst. So from now on, once it is active, you can smoothly grab a burst photo smoothly by holding volume up. As you can see, it is done. So that's it. So you can grab pictures with your volume buttons only. You can use either volume up or volume down. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.